Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. Here is the new cyclocane.com. Yes, I finally broke out of procrastination mode to throw all of these three images together. Right, they're not mine at all. This, is pulled straight off the National Hurricane Center. Right, and this comes from the South Florida Water Management District. And I'm not sure if Beryl is actually still. These are the spaghetti models, by the way, or what do they also call them? Scatter plots or something, where all the different models say that Beryl's going to go. But of course, since the National Hurricane Center has downgraded Beryl to post-tropical status, they're not even talking about Beryl anymore anyway. So I'm not even sure if this is this may be out of date, because it seems like when I looked at it last night, it was exactly there already. So that might be because there's no more updates being given. So this might have been as of the last time that there was an advisory. So yeah, cyclocane.com is a bastardization of the words cyclone and hurricane, because every other single hurricane-related domain was already taken. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. Right, WikiWix. Here is the severe thunderstorm-related outlook. So 30% chance of winds, 15% chance of hail with a significant area today, and a 5% chance of a tornado. But first, we look at the watches, the severe thunderstorm watches that are in effect, affecting Arkansas, Mississippi, Missouri, Tennessee, Texas, Louisiana, all these states going on. And then severe thunderstorm warnings in effect, no tornado warnings, luckily. But basically just all in a line going down there. And so, 30% chance of winds today. Here's your highest risk areas. That would be 58 miles per hour and greater. And then for hail, that'd be 1 inch or larger severe hail. And then over in Texas, the black hatched area is where 2 inch or larger hail may well occur. It doesn't have to occur, there's all probabilities anyway. I'd never know how to phrase that, but that's the significant. That's where very large hail, if it falls, it's probably going to fall in Texas. Tornado-wise, 5% up here for Illinois, Indiana, not Ohio apparently, and Kentucky with a 5% chance. So if you randomly pick this point to explain the numbers, that would mean there's a 5% chance that this point right here, or someone within 25 miles of them, we'll see a tornado today. Tomorrow, though, we've got an East Coast probability going on for a whole bunch of states again. And then Texas has their own slight risk back there. And if you look at the specific probability map, a whole bunch more of the East Coast is affected by some sort of chance. And then this jelly bean looking thing is the highest risk area at 30%. And then the Texas thing and a little bit of a 5% around it. Day after tomorrow, this blob moves northward apparently, so here's the probability breakdown where we've got a 5% up here, 5% for Florida as well, and then the 5% area around the slight risk, day after tomorrow, extends farthish. That's probably not a word, farthish, whatnot. Yes, day 4 through 8, the medium range, or whatever they call it, predictability too low, so again that means there is severe weather on the horizon for days 4 through 8. But there's not enough agreement yet as to timing and or location. And of course, if you wanted to find out where it might happen and when it might happen, you'd read this and read about the ECMWF, GEFS, amplitude belt of westerlies. That's a wind thing, I think. Right, that's why I don't want to read that, because it's just like what, or whatever. Was that the Peanuts character, something, the teacher? What? I can't even make that noise. However it goes, that would be what it's like. It's just all in one ear, out the other for me. Or is it in one eye, out the other? But that would be awesome, wouldn't it? Because then you could use your own brain as like a projector and people could watch movies from your brain if it were literally in one eye, out the other or something. But that sounds painful. Anyway, off that tangent, wikiwix.com. WICKEDWX.com. And of course, now I get to say cyclocane.com. Don't go there. CYCLOCANE.com. I haven't learned how to spell my own site's name yet. So yes, if you're in one of the affected areas today, you should absolutely pay attention. You can also pay attention at weather.gov or local TV if they're good about covering things, the Storm Prediction Center, and of course there's also the National Hurricane Center if you like hurricanes and such. And if you don't like any of that, then just chill, read a book, I don't know, whatever you want to do. So enjoy your day.